On May 2, 2025, a significant geological event shook Chile's southernmost region. A powerful earthquake registering a magnitude of 7.4 struck deep beneath the Drake Passage, the waterway that separates South America from Antarctica.
The evaluation is made with the worst-case scenario. The worst-case scenario that was taken for this evaluation is 7.8, which the technical organization used. The National Seismological Center in the final evaluation is a 7.5, which has to be re-evaluated by the technical agency in case it generates any variation on the formal bulletin that has not had any variation. It is the one I have just mentioned. Therefore, there's a call to the population of Magallanes to remain evacuated in the safety zone.